functional the clothes, like the hiking, I don't know whether you heard about the also Uniqlo, also the very fast retailing, like Uniqlo, like Zara, like H&M. So they are focused on the overseas, but they established the factory in Pakistan. Their first branch already finished the 10th anniversary, and they are going to have one special zone.
Yeah, I'm the CEO of Orange Line Operation and Maintenance Joint Venture. So I've been here for 5 years. It's very good, very great experience living in Pakistan. It has been achieved the 200 million. It's a great milestone for Orange Line. Firstly, it has achieved the target of the design, right? Yeah. That means it's been contributing a great service, a great level of service to our Lahoris, yeah, to make them more convenient. And secondly, this is a symbol of the cooperation, the collaboration of Pakistan and China. Yeah, it's a remarkable project under CPEC. Yeah. So when Mr. Jiang Zaidong, the ambassador of China, visited Anakali stations, he also has given a remarkable appreciation and praise about Orange Line. Right. He said that it's not only a project with the infrastructure project and the CPEC, it's also a linkage, a bridge of friendship between Pakistan and China.
Welcome all of you to today's events.
What is the vision? The vision is basically the kind of quality products that we are producing for brands like these, not just in China but also in Pakistan. Chinese Group in Shanghai was nominated as the top 3 most innovative companies by Chinese National Textile Apparel Council. Our main forte, our main focus is basically on innovation and digitalization.
looking after supply chain, and Challenge Fishing is the garment manufacturing. It's a vertical setup. We have the garment manufacturing. Also, we are manufacturing for the fabric. We have employee more than 2,000 here, and we provide job opportunity for the local people. And we are the main supplier for the top brands, Adidas and American Eagle. So we have invested here since 2015. And this is the 10th year. We just have our 10th anniversary last week. I have working in Pakistan more than 7 years. This is the 7 years I'm working here. And Pakistan is a very beautiful country, and they have the friendly and the very delicious food. I have a very good experience to living here. And most of my time every year is spent more than 10 months in Lahore. And I'm traveling through Pakistan. I've traveled to the Islamabad, to the Faisalabad, sometimes to Karachi and Sialkot. And all the people is very friendly, and the environmental is very beautiful. And we have a very good, strong hope, and we have strong confidence. We can build our long-term business in Pakistan.
Prestigious Lahore Medium can attend our first ever Chinese Medium Open Day. So I want to thank on behalf of IBCA Lahore branch, on behalf of Mr. Tan. Okay, this is my first expression. Second expression, I have to appreciate the Chinese Embassy and Chinese Consulate. Their tremendous support. They fully support our today's visit, and totally all of the fully policy support. Maybe you don't know, today actually from the Pakistan Army, there is some restrictions on the movement. But after the talk with the Chinese government, totally everything is smooth. So I want to let's appreciate the Chinese Embassy.